Namaskar. Welcome to Kshetra series, an initiative by Nirvikalpa, where each episode brings one Indian temple to life. We are delighted to announce the culmination of months of dedicated effort by our founder Dr. Sahana Selvaganesh and I, Pooja Kale, the co-founder of Nirvikalpa, and the entire passionate team in curating and funding the Kshetra projects. From arranging, coordinating, and compensating talented orchestra members to producing high quality recordings, the team has created a rich and lasting resource that will serve the dancers for years to come. This labor of love is now ready to be shared, so stay tuned for the purchase link. In an era where dance has become a costly business, our model prioritizes fairness, ensuring that dancers are compensated for their art. Kshetra series invite you to contribute to our cause, upholding the traditions of temples and classical dances in India. Your donation will help us continue this work. Thank you for your support. Being an Odissi dancer, it gives me an honor and makes me proud to introduce this Kshetra for the series Jagannath Puri. The story of Lord Jagannatha is one of devotion and divine love, a bond so pure that it transcends all the barriers. Situated in the Puri of Odisha state, lakhs of devotees visit this Jagannath temple every year. Lord Krishna is worshipped here as Lord Jagannatha. The words Jagat and Natha are combined together to form the term Jagannatha. Jagat denotes the universe or the world, whereas Natha denotes Lord or the Master. This literally translating it to the meaning Lord of the universe. Puri is devotionally believed to be the Vaikuntha of the earth. According to the Puranas, Lord Krishna incarnated as Neela Madhava and performed here many Leelas. It is one of the 4 sacred pilgrimage sites known as Char Dhams that hold great significance for Hindus. It is a striking example of Kalingan architecture. The temple's main structure, the Sanctum Sanctorum or the Garbhagriha, houses the wooden idols of Lord Jagannatha, Balabhadra and Subhadra. The only temple where Lord Krishna is worshipped along with his siblings. It is said to represent the global community through Holy Trinity. Jagannatha is black, Lord Balbhadra is white, Sister Subhadra is yellow, and Sudarshan Chakra is red. The Jagannath temple is often referred to as White Pagoda because of its distinctive white color and architectural style, which is similar to a pagoda, a type of Buddhist temple. The present-day Grand Stone Temple in Puri was historically built by King Anantavarman Chodagangadev of Eastern Ganga dynasty in 12th century. However, it is believed that these deities within the shrine to be much older and are of the ruler of the Satyuga, King Indrayumna. Over the years of my Odissi dance journey, I have learned that according to mythology, there is a story. In Satyuga, King Indrayumna, a devout follower of Lord Vishnu, dreamt of building a temple but faced a challenge. No sculptor could craft the Lord's idols. In a dream, Lord Vishnu guided him to a sacred neem log at Bankamohana. Despite finding the log, no one could shape it. Until Lord Vishwakarma, disguised as craftsman, offered to help. He set one condition: no one should disturb his work. But as many days passes by, impatience overcame, and while opening the door too soon, he finds that the idols of Jagannatha, Balbhadra and Subhadra are incomplete. The sculptor too had vanished, leaving the king distressed. Brahma reassured him, blessing the temple and the unfinished idols as symbol of divine mystery and grace. Held annually in Puri, Rath Yatra is one of the world's oldest and largest chariot festivals, where the 3 deities ride the grand chariots, bless millions, which is both spiritually uplifting and visually stunning. Preserving an age-old ritual passed down through generations. During this festival, it is believed they come out of the temple, symbolizing that God belongs to everyone, that love knows no hierarchy, and that the Lord comes to us, breaking barriers of ritual and tradition. As a staunch practitioner of Odissi and its tradition, whenever I visit Jagannath Puri, it's a whole new experience, and I understand why it's not just a place, it's a breath of eternal. It reminds us that the divine doesn't reside only behind the closed sanctums, but walk among us, ride with us, and embraces all. Stay tuned for the upcoming dance presentation on Jagannath Puri Kshetra and more such Kshetras with interesting, untold, and unheard stories. Namaskar.